What's the meaning of Beavis and Butt-head? Beavis and Butt-head. Beavis and Butt-head.
Beavis and Butt-head. Beavis and Butt-head. Beavis and Butt-head is an animated television series that aired in the 1990s. The show follows two teenage boys, Beavis and Butt-head, as they navigate their way through adolescence, often getting into trouble and causing chaos wherever they go. The show is known for its crude humor and satirical take on American culture, particularly in regards to music videos and pop culture. Despite often being criticized for its controversial content, Beavis and Butt-head has developed a cult following and has been noted for its influence on a generation of comedians and TV shows that followed.